The Tyre Sensors Not Detected check handbook warning in your Ford indicates a failure in communication between the tire pressure sensors and your car's computer, known as the ECU. This means the ECU isn't receiving pressure readings from one or more of your tires. This is often due to dead sensor batteries lasting 5 to 7 years in older models, sensor damage from tire rotations or replacements, ECU module issues like corrosion or software bugs, or interference from aftermarket parts. Ignoring this warning can lead to uneven tire wear or even blowouts, so manual pressure checks are vital. Newer Fords may allow remote diagnostics and resets via the Ford Pass app. Begin by manually checking your tire pressures using the sticker in your driver's side door jamb. This shows the recommended PSI for each tire. If pressures are correct, attempt a TPMS reset by driving at speeds above 25 miles per hour for 10 to 20 minutes. This allows the system to relearn sensor IDs. Alternatively, consult your owner's manual for Ford-specific relearn procedures, such as ignition cycling or OBD2 commands. If the warning persists, a dead or damaged sensor likely needs replacement. Use a TPMS scan tool like Foxwell NT510 to identify the faulty sensor and program the new one. For persistent issues, consult a professional for ECU or wiring problems. OTA updates can fix software errors in 2023 plus Fords.